Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is Surds and Indices part 3. Surds and Indices part 1 and part 2 we have already completed. So let us see the question. Here question is what? Find value of root under 6 plus root under 6 plus root under 6 plus up to infinity. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We can solve this question by the two ways. One basic concept and other simple technique. So technique is this only, if this is the question with plus sign, plus. So just to make the factor of this number, that is 6, in such a way so that you get n into n plus 1 form. Make the factor of 6 in such a way that you get n into n plus 1. That means a small continuous product of the two number. A smaller number into next number. One number into next number. Just like here 6. So we can write this 2 multiply 3. So this is n is 2 and n plus 1 is 3. So when there is a plus, greater number is our answer. So here correct answer is what? 3. So 3 direct answer. So for this type of question, only by reading the question, we can give answer directly, just like there is a 6. So we have make a factor in such a way that the product is first number into next number. So 2 into 3, that is 6. So greater is 3, so 3 is our right answer. We can solve this question by now basic method. So what is the basic method for this question? See. So basic method for this question is suppose this number is given, we have to find the value of it. So this is 6 plus 6 dashed is up to infinity. So suppose this equal to what? X. We have to find the value of x. So we can write this is 6. Again you see this portion is what? Just like this. So this is also x and this equal to x. So when we are squaring the both sides, we will get what? That is 6 plus x equal to what? X square. So now this quadratic equation x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. We can make factor of this 3. So we can write 2 3 is 6. So this is x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 0. When take x common, we will get x minus 3 and here 2 x minus 3 0. So x minus 3 x minus 3. So x minus 3 is common, we will get x minus 3 into x plus 2 0. So when x minus 3, x is 3, x plus 2 0, x is minus 2. But here value of x is what? This is plus. So our answer cannot be negative. So this is not our answer, this is not satisfied. So our correct answer is what? 3. In this way you see, this is the basic concept taking a lot of time. But with the technique we can solve, only reading the question we can find our answer directly. So direct answer is what? 3 is our correct answer. Now see the next question. The next question is find value of root under 12 minus root under 12 minus root under 12. This go up to the infinity. So for this type of question again we have two methods. That is the first basic method and the technique method. So first I am explaining what is the technique method for this type of the question, to find the value of 12 minus 8. So technique is what? When there is a question like this minus given, then technique is what? Again you make factor of this given number in such a way that it is n into n plus 1. That means one number and next number. Product is this number. So if there is a sign negative, we will take less. So our correct answer will be what? N. So here 12. So we can write what? That is 3 into 4. So 3 into 4, 12. Now this is minus. So smaller one is what? 3. So our correct answer is what? 3. So 3 is our right answer. By technique only you read the question and you can give answer. So 3 is the right answer. Now I am solving this question by the basic concept. So basic concept is what? See. So here we have to find a square root of this is given 12, again this is root, this is 12, again this is root, this is 12, and this is up to infinity. So suppose this whole equal to what? X. So we have to find the value of x. So here we can write this is a square root of 12 minus x, because when you left this you will find this number is same like this whole number. So this is x. So 12 minus x equal to what? So we will get this is x. So here root and here no root. So just square the both sides. So you will get 12 minus x equal to what? X square. So again this is quadratic equation, x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Now solving quadratic equation we will make factor of 12. So 4 3s are 12. So we can write x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 0. Again take x common, so this is x plus 4, and here minus 3 common, so this is x plus 4 0. Now in both terms x plus 4 and x plus 4 is what? Common. So we can take x plus 4 common, and this is x minus 3 0. So product of two terms is 0. That means either one terms is 0 or both is 0. So suppose x plus 4 is 0, then our value of x will be what? Minus 4. And if x minus 3 is 0, then our value of x will be what? 3. So here the answer 12 minus this is going on. So our correct answer is what? So here minus 4 not satisfy this equation. So we will take what? 3. So our correct answer is what? 3. So in this way we can solve this question by both method, basic and tricky approach. But in competitive exams we need to know tricky approach so that we can do very fast. So our correct answer is A, that is 3.